how to set up Xbox Series X to Xbox app on your iPhone or Android. To connect your Xbox Series X to the Xbox app on your iPhone or Android device, first you want to ensure both devices are on the same network, then download the application. So first of all, what you have to do is download the Xbox app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Since I'm using an Android device, I have to go to the Play Store. However, the procedure will remain the same for both these applications or both these devices. Type in Xbox on the search box and install it. So I've actually already installed it. Now then, you want to click on the open button, or you simply want to go ahead and log in. So here the interface will look something like this. So due to some security concern, the interface won't be available, I guess. So you just want to make sure to follow the instructions. So at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see this option as sign in. You simply want to click that out, after which you'll be then directed to the web browser page. Here you want to sign in, or you want to go ahead and enter in your Microsoft account password and all that. Click on the next button, after which it's going to go ahead and ask you to enter in the verification or email. And once you've actually done it, so you'll be able to see or set up your console. And in the Xbox app, you want to go to the library or my console section. And once you actually do it, so you want to select the console, and in the app you want to go ahead and select remote play on this device. A prompt will appear on your Xbox. Select enable the app will test your network connections and give your console a name and proceed with any additional steps. And this is the way you could set up Xbox Series X to Xbox app on iPhone or Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.